Good morning and welcome to the 10 Acre Woods. It's Sunday morning. It was hot yesterday. It was
hot.
30 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees, what is that in, that's 80, I don't know, 80 some Fahrenheit. I'll put that down below. But it was hot and humid because of all this, this weather we've been having, the rain. So today is overcast. We're supposed to get a little bit of rain here and there. But that's all this year's been about. It's been about rain. Everything is growing very fast. You haven't even had a chance to do your garden yet.
I haven't even gotten into the garden. The weeding, like...
Everything is just growing. All the what is it, annuals, I guess?
Perennials.
Perennials. I always get those mixed up.
Yeah,
annuals, I think, every year, but annuals is just one annual.
Yeah.
Perennials.
You got biennial, which is every second year.
Yeah, so they're doing it, and the rhubarb is just like a tree. So anyway, maybe I'll take you back to the garden in a little bit. We're going to feed these guys and catch up on the farm. What's all the noise? One of our male peacocks. So the other one is over on the other side, and then we've got the peahen and peacock in the building there because we are moving our, installing solar. So we're moving our, what they call a power plant. I would assume this is the power plant, but, oh, look at that, a mosquito. Another joy of wetness. So we've got to wait for them to, apparently the guys that are doing the, putting the array in, the foundation, they have the piles on order. So this is probably going to sit like this for another few weeks anyway, and then we'll see some action on that. Morning, where's Billy? He's not in his house. He must be out grazing. You can see just the amount of grass and the thickness, so they can't keep up.
You can tell their favorite spots to hang out too because it's short.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a circle. This is more their poop area.
Yeah, they don't eat where they poop.
Yeah.
So we need more animals apparently because we don't have enough to clear.
No, maybe one day if it grows like this and continues to grow like this, maybe I'll get the Highland cow I've always wanted.
Yeah, little Highland.
Right? Black. Has to be black.
A black Highland.
Black Highland cow. You start going for those ones. Oh, door's open. Any chaos?
Oh, hang on here. You're still sitting? Yeah. Panting. Oh. What's going on underneath there? That's been...
Oh, she's later. That's okay.
I know, but I've been checking in on this one for 3...
Should be any day.
Yeah, it should be any time now. There's the back end of the peacock. With his fluffy butt. And our rabbits. And our sheep. Yes. They're like, I want crane. Oh, okay. There we go. Get them away from the gate.
We're going this way.
Oh, Charlie. So quiet at the dinner table this morning.
Okay, I'm gonna go look back, walk walk around, open the door.
All right. There's Tank Jr. Just hanging out with the goats and Charlie. So we do this as a distraction. One of the reason why we do it in this order is a distraction, especially for that one right there. So he is now out in the yard. He is happy because he's got his grains. And then Tara's going to go in the building, get things ready for the other animals, and bring in Petey and Piper, and then Jasper. And Onyx is inside with Tucker. So those will come outside, but it just kind of keeps Charlie happy, and he's not just whining for food. So he'll get it. We actually have to call him in when we're ready. So that works out well. So having a system is is the way to go, and learning what that system looks like. Now these two ducks are going, are they not?
No, she's not coming.
Oh, they're not going. They were gonna go, so we brought them in the building. There you go, Onyx. Out you go. Oh, I thought you said to. Hang on.
There you go.
I thought you said open the door. Did you say not open the door?
Yeah, but the ducks took off.
Oh, okay.
You come behind me, you got to get those ducks out.
Yeah, okay.
Go there. Okay, come on, Todd. Hey, go to the baby.
I just seem to be in the way this morning.
Come on, Onyx. Onyx. You just gonna leave Tuck? Are you coming in here with Tuck? Come here, Tuck's mama. Come on. Onyx.
Come on, Onyx. Go on in.
Onyx. Come on, sweetie.
She knows her name.
Hi. You go put one away in.
So Onyx is in with Tucker to keep Tucker.
Oh, it's all gone.
That was
I know.
to keep him company. Yeah,
here's your
Tucker's
water.
got some good weight to him.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah. So he's down to basically half a bottle. How many ounces? 3, 4?
3 ounces now in the morning, 3 ounces at night.
Yeah, 3 and 3.
Just to keep him kind of.
He's weaning.
Technically, he should be on 1 bottle.
Hi, Tucker. Hi. Yes.
They're too frantic.
Hi.
And we're out here twice a day, anyways.
So there we go. Lots of grass in here to munch on, and the two of them just hang out in here during the day.
Yeah, we trimmed our trees here.
Oh, did you trim this one?
Yeah.
The hybrid Chinese Manitoba maple. Sorry. Willow. The Manitoba maples are on the driveway.
And then Charlie gets his spray.
So, very nice tree. I got this for Tara, Mother's Day, I want to say about 10 years ago. And it's huge. It's a beautiful tree.
Charlie gets his citronella spray.
Oh, did you give him some? Yeah, keep the mosquitoes off. Yeah. Okay, everything's quiet.
Yeah, because they're fed.
Yeah. Well, Charlie hasn't gotten his treats, and you haven't. Oh, sorry. Does he understand that word? He hasn't looked up.
He's okay.
He's okay.
He doesn't eat the extra. There's long grass.
Oh,
They
okay.
eat 95% grass.
Yeah, their diet is mostly grass.
So he was. I don't need him needy all summer. So he's okay.
He's okay.
Tank! Hey, Tank! You gotta say it in a great voice. so nobody else hears.
No. George is the first one in. Oh, is that Tinker?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
I thought that was George.
No.
I didn't see the
Hang on,
freckles on
Petey.
her face.
Petey, wait. No, Petey. You don't need it every time. I know, your wife is getting an little extra. Petey, no, wait for it. No. Wait for it. Sit your bum. Sit your bum. Sit your bum. Sit your bum. You gotta wait for Tank. Out. No.
Yeah. She says, I want more.
Go that way. Petey. Come on, Petey. Stop her. Petey.
Go on.
No.
No. You shall not pass.
You go get the greens out there now. Piper she doesn't care what she gets. But Petey likes his little special bowl.
Yeah, so there's Tinker with her little freckles. She's actually looking better now.
Well,
'Cause she was pretty
yeah,
bony. She goes up and
yeah.
down. And then Turbo.
I'm debating on adding
Okay.
him, but he could do with the less weight.
Turbo. Hello, little ones. Perseus. And then Penny and her little ones. So we did get these little ones
This
in.
is gonna be a rooster.
And we brought Penny down with her little ones, but she had nothing to do with it. She was fighting with these ones, and it's like, get away from my babies.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, a very protective mama, aren't you? Yes. So we've had her as a broody hen for a couple years, and she is good at what she does. Oh, and Mama's always at the door.
Yeah, she's such a sweetheart.
Hi. Look at those little ones. Look at them. Oh. Yes. Those your babies. Hi, Mama. Hi. Yeah, so just to recap, this one came in on an animal seizure with a male that's out in the other building. And that night that she came in, she gave birth to, I think, 10. No, you stay in. And 9 made it. You. You guys stay in. Like, I want out. I want out. Yeah, so 9 made it, and one didn't make it right off the bat. So there they are. Oh, yes. All the babies. Oh, the sun came out. Wow. It's probably going to go away again right away anyway. So we came out onto the deck at the back, and our electric fence, we have 2 monitors, and they're flashers. So they hang on the electric wire and they monitor the voltage on the line. We got one up front and then one at the back. And we noticed when we came out, it was flashing. So I went and I grabbed my fault finder, Gallagher. So this thing works great if you have electric fencing and you don't want to wander aimlessly looking for why the line's down. This guy here works really well because it actually tells you the direction of the fault and where it is. So I'm gonna just take a walk out and see what we find. And obviously, well, it rained last night, so the moisture is one thing. But I should be getting, I think, about 4 or 5 kilovolts, 4 or 5,000 volts of electricity on the line. I'm only getting about 200 on the line. So there's a drain somewhere. So let's go find it. And the reason, whoa, okay. So it's the Gallagher M1100. And if you look, you can see it's got lights. So it's got 1 red, 2 yellow, and 2 green. We can't see the green lights on there. Yesterday, because I always look at it when I'm in here, just to see the status of the fence, it was full green. So something happened overnight. Okay, so from the building, it comes back here and then runs back to the back. So what I'll do is I'll turn this guy on here. And then I'll go and I'll put it on the line. And it tells me that I have a 19 amp draw in the direction of the arrow. So we'll head that way and find it. All right, there's Jasper over there, grazing away. He's usually found in this corner. So this is the back corner. We talked last year about opening this section up. But with everything going on, we haven't had a chance to get our auger out and start doing some poles.
Poles are ready.
So the poles are there, but just waiting on a bunch of other projects. So now we'll probably wait until the fall because we don't, wood ticks. There's probably a lot of wood ticks in there.
Over there, and
Yeah.
over there.
Because the tall grass. So yeah, it's a project that's ongoing. It's not needed right away. It's gone on for 20 years.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So there we go. We still have a draw of 19 amps in the direction of the arrow. So onward and outward.
My niece is a peppermint. Jasper's been eating it, that's why.
Has he?
Yeah, I bet you that's why it smells so bad, like he's been ripping it up.
His poop smells like black licorice.
Black.
And
What happens when I mow?
looks like he might have been rolling in it too. He likes to roll around.
Well, he had a good bath yesterday in the mud.
So this is the old original, what do they call it? Cow fencing?
No, yeah.
Page wire. So instead of messing with all that, what we ended up doing is just putting the fencing in a couple feet from that. So it's just kind of an extra layer of defense for bears, as Tara was saying. So what we're doing is we're listening for a snapping sound, because that's going to tell us.
Or a blatant tree across it.
Yeah. So we're right kind of back center of the property. So there's looking up towards the farm there. And you can see the grass, how it's raised, how it's grown.
Come on, kids!
I don't know. Are they going to come?
Come on, sheep!
I can hear them. Grain time is a bad time for them to listen.
Come on, kids!
Oh, yeah. Oh, they were already coming out.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can see some movement in there.
Come on, Tink! I'm over here! Come on, kids! This way! See me? Hello?
They're like, you have treats? They have to stop every so often.
Yeah, no,
Oh, look.
the grass is getting
Look, I found something here.
Yeah.
I found something.
Hi!
All right, so making our way back north along the west side of the
Look at
property.
this. Sorry.
And what's
Poison
that?
ivy's starting to streak back in.
Oh, yeah.
Because they're not, I need the grazers.
Ooh, look at the mosquitoes.
But I'm not getting bit though because
I don't have any off on. So we'll speed this up.
Yeah.
So again, we've got some more of that page wire there, and we've moved our electric fencing in here just to make it easier. And oh, there's the sheep
I
there.
see it.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
I see a log.
Log that's not supposed to be there.
So in this case, we may not hear the snapping because it's not just touching, it's grounded essentially. So
Hence why it's, look at this. Yeah, look up. No wonder this 1, 2.
oh yeah, these are all dead.
These are all dead.
Yeah, that's the other thing that we're currently working on is getting all the dead ones out. There it is.
Yeah.
There it is.
You'll have to get the saw.
Yeah. So we got out of that long grass and in the woods. There's a print. There's something missing here.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you've recalled in previous videos, we had a truck.
We gave it away.
Yeah, we gave it away. We put it on Facebook
Yeah.
and said, well, free truck.
Free to a good home.
Yeah, so we
And
don't
we found
just
a good home.
we don't just rehome animals.
Yeah.
We rehome
Yeah.
equipment
So-
too.
And he was very, very happy. You could just feel his excitement.
Yeah, so that left this week, and yeah, they'll.
Then I got a message on Facebook going, "Why'd you give away a truck?" I'm like, "Because I can." We didn't use it, right? I knew it was going to be about at least $1,000 to fix it for him. So
Yeah.
uh,
And it's been sitting there. We haven't
Yeah.
been using it. Terry uses the van for doing,
The animals like to
going
get
to
in
the
the van
yeah
better.
petting farm. We don't take a lot of animals. We take smaller ones, the kid goats,
and the van has air conditioner.
van has
Whereas
air
When they're
conditioning,
in the truck, there's no air conditioning in
and
the
it's
back.
lower for them to climb in. So, yeah, the truck was nice, but it just wasn't practical. Okay, so I got bug spray on now. I was planning on putting some on this morning, but I wasn't planning on doing the walk out into the forest where all the mosquitoes are. So I've got my bug spray on now. I'll head over and clean that up in a little bit, and then trim the fencing. The sensor. So there's the back of the house, and here is the sensor. So you can see there's just hangs from the wire, and it flashes and lets us know what's going on. And what is going on is, so here's the site of the solar array, and they've got these posts in, these marker posts, putting them in. So I thought it was actually the solar array was going a little bit further, but no, that's 40 feet. And we're just waiting on the piles. The company that's putting in the piles will be coming and doing that work, getting that all prepared. And then the array will go up and the solar panels will go on top of that. So that's pretty exciting. We will be generating our own power.
Taste division.
ASCAP.
You can see them all. They need to be harvested.
Whoa. Wow. That's flavor. Yeah.
Look from the side here. You can see them
Yeah,
all.
well, you can just see them all everywhere. Tiana went and
The longer you leave them, the sweeter they get. They're not as
picked a
sour.
bunch. Picked a bunch yesterday.
But look at this. I'm so excited. So, my brown ones have already come, so now it's the yellow. Right? Look!
Oh, the blacks.
Well, so
Or purple.
So purple they're black. So
Yeah.
I'm excited because I moved these guys. These are my ones from Europe that a friend and I kind of split.
Yeah, purple, black. But I find in most cases when they call them black, they're actually a deep
Yeah, it's like the Cayuga duck's actually green.
purple. Yeah.
It's not black, it's green. It's
Yeah.
like, yeah. So,
Yeah, exactly.
the chocolate mint's taking off like crazy. No, it's just not. The raspberries will be good down this end.
Yeah.
It's weird because I think they're moving.
Yeah, and the
Not
idea
very good over
is
there.
we are going to do, we're going to move this. So Tara just hasn't used the greenhouse. She used it for the first couple years. So she's removed the poly off the top of it. And we're going to disassemble it. They come apart every 2 feet. They're bolted together. And we are going to move that over to where the new bird aviary is. But, of course, first we have to clear trees over there as well. So you can see there's a lot to happen here on the farm to get things moving. Which is another reason why I think I'm going to have to take some time off work. And but to plan when to take it off.
Chocolate mint.
Oh, is that the? Oh, I thought the chocolate mint was over in your other
People
section.
say it's invasive, but it keeps the bugs away, so it can grow wherever it wants.
Yeah.
Like it's smell-o-vision, taste-o-vision, and smell-o-vision, and
Oh, chocolate
Yeah.
mint.
yeah. The mojito mint. What's this one? Which is the strong
what are
one.
these ones, Tara?
I know this.
Oh, what are those?
These are food.
Oh yeah, that's the goat and sheep food.
Yeah, look.
That's
So
their
there's
favorite.
the mint. There. That's the mojito mint.
Okay.
Look, a maple tree.
Yeah.
And then the peppermint did well too. No,
Okay.
I see a foam on it.
All
so
these
that's
mints.
Well, but it keeps the bugs out.
Yeah, yeah. So, and your the asparagus has been, so it's gone up to seed here.
I'm leaving one.
Yeah,
This one
she has harvested. There's
These will all be seeds.
a patch there, and then there's another. Yeah, you can see all the seeds. I guess the flowers then have seeds.
We had some good asparagus, but
Yeah, we've had some.
tansy, this has got to be moved. It's too big for here.
And rhubarb. Lots of rhubarb. So we'll have to harvest some of that too. These are some of the trees that have actually blown over. But these are some of the trees here that I want to plant out in the back area there. So we might, we might be getting some rain very shortly. It feels that way.
So last year, the birds ate all the rhubarb seeds.
Oh, did
It
they?
was weird, I lost them all. So
Yeah. There's the
I
rhubarb
don't have a
seed.
stash left.
That's what it looks like when rhubarb goes to seed. So if you don't want it to go to seed, you don't want to collect the seeds, so cut those off. And that'll focus more on your plant growth, which this year we don't really have to worry about that.
It's funny, last year I took all the flowers and I replanted. Look at my catnip. It's not growing very well,
Yeah.
but I took all the seeds and I planted more, so
Oh, okay. Baby catnip.
baby catnip. Oh, Coda will love me.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get a leaf
Coda
for
needs
Coda.
his catnip. So an update on our dogs. Last weekend I did a video where we were having a lot of issues with Maggie's health. So we were trying to figure out what it was, going through a number of different channels. And we actually had to put her down last week. So she lived 13 years. West Highland White Terriers live from 13 to 15 years. She was kind of on the bottom end. They do have a lot of health issues. Some of them can be cancer, which could have been part of it. We didn't do any kind of autopsy or anything. But cancer, stomach cancer, could have been one of the big causes, as well as some localized complications that arose. Anyway, we have made peace with it. She was a great dog. Toby is still here. Of course, we lost Atlas, our Bernese mountain dog, which really only lived to 8 years, I believe it is, and he was 10, so he outdid himself there. So Toby is right here, and we were concerned that he was going to miss his Maggie. He seems pretty good. So yeah, you're doing all right. He's had a couple spells where he's had a lump removed from his side, and he does have, when I was trimming him, he's got a little lump here at the base of his tail as well. So, and he loves his ball, right? So we made sure that we got him a couple extra balls, didn't we? Yeah, because you love your ball. So he's doing all right. We were concerned that he was depression. That's where the mind goes, that he's going to be depressed. He doesn't have his mate anymore, but he has his ball, so that makes him nice and happy, doesn't it, buddy? Yes. So he is a year younger than Maggie, so he's 12. So, it brings us to the thought of, how many more years do we have with him? So what, another 4? Are we going to get another 4 out of you? Hey? Yeah, but it's always, you want them to live forever. It's your buddy, right? You want me to throw that ball or something for you? No, you just want to carry it. Yeah. Okay, so that is it for yet another video. It looks like it started to spit already, so I think it's going to be like this kind of off and on all day. Anyway, wishing you all the best in the coming week, and hope to see you next week. Take care, have a wonderful one, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.